Welcome to NICO Nanobubble technology, transforming stagnant, polluted water into clear, thriving ecosystems. Experience unmatched water clarity. Watch murky pools transform into crystal clear water, restoring heritage water bodies naturally. In agriculture, witness explosive root growth. For wastewater, NICO achieves 80% COD and 70% BOD reduction. In hydroponics, 5 times higher oxygen doubles your daily yield. Enjoy completely chemical-free pools with oxygen and ozone nanobubbles. High-capacity systems revitalizing complex environments efficiently and sustainably. Scale it anywhere, even under standard line pressure. NICO delivers precision performance. The NICO Viam series for large-scale water restoration. NICO Agnaroot series, precision nanobubbles for high-yield modern farming. NICO Aquapool series, premium, chemical-free purification for pools. NICO Drona series, advanced nanobubble oxygenation for high-burden industrial wastewater. NICO Verna series, advanced oxygenation for sewage treatment and drain management. Visit NicoNanobubbles.com to transform your water today.